So our guest is here. While we brief him on the rules, we will have the final bout, which is the winner of the first bout and the second bout. Our guest says he doesn't need any help. He knows the rules.
Sir, dress code. कितना अच्छा लगने वाले हैं.
Can I do that?
Ladies and gentlemen, the match that you have been waiting for, we have our chief guest on my left, Shri Gary Mehigan, representing Australia. And on my right, we have our champion from the Kachari tribe of Nagaland. Are you all ready?
Yes. Excuse me.
Sir, kini kata. And we have a clear winner. We are sad to say we have lost, but we are also glad that our chief guest is the winner of this bout. Ladies and gentlemen,
I think it's all the Naga pork that helped me win. It was the weight. But I think you let me win.
before you leave, the winner is always given a prize. Sir, that's not yours.